y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And today's video is kind of a flop, but kind of a bop. So I'm gonna show you something creative you can do with your leftover rice if you don't want to make stir fry. And so I'm gonna show you how to make a frozen treat using leftover rice. So I'm not quite sure I would call this an ice cream, but it's in that same kind of vibe. So if you want to see how I make that, just keep watching. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. First thing we're going to do is make our coconut condensed milk, which is actually pretty easy. So you'll take 1 can of coconut cream and then total 1 cup of sugar. I'm doing a half a cup first, mixing that in, adding it to the stove, mixing everything again on high heat. You want to bring this to a boil, and then once it's boiling, turn down the heat to a simmer, and then you want to stir every couple of minutes for about an hour or until it reduces down to half of its original contents. And this is what it'll look like when it has reduced down. So I'm just going to transfer it into a jar and set it aside. So now I'm taking my leftover rice to my NutriBullet. I don't have exact measurements. If I had to guess, I'd maybe say 1.5, 2 cups of leftover rice. And then I'm just going to go in with half a cup of some unsweet plant milk, add in 2 tablespoons of our sweetened condensed milk, add in a little bit of vanilla, and then I'm going to blend. So you want to blend until everything is nice and smooth. You don't want any chunks, and this is what it should look like. So I'm just going to transfer that into a glass dish, smooth everything out, and then you'll see me pop the lid on and freeze. I took this out of the freezer after a couple of hours and let it thaw for 20 minutes. It didn't really do that, so here's what I did next. So in the spirit of keeping it completely candid with y'all, I'm gonna show you like how I'm gonna eat it. So I was way too impatient to wait for it to thaw, but I kind of like smashed it up. It's exactly what you think a rice frozen treat would taste like. Like I said, I was impatient, so I also decided to blend it into a little drinky drink and added a little cinnamon on top. This right here, definitely the way to enjoy this.